everyone. Today we are going to talk about an important macronutrient, that is the protein. So protein is building block of our muscles. And it helps in muscle repair when we are sleeping. So protein is like really important thing when it comes to growing your muscle or helping your muscle to recover. So today we are going to talk about the 8 foods which are high in protein. So the first thing is eggs. Eggs are the basic source of protein, and eggs are most important when it comes as a protein source. So they are mostly recommended protein source. So when it comes to eggs, there are 6 grams of protein in eggs and 78 calories. So the purest form of protein when it comes to egg is the egg white. So it doesn't have any calories. So it comes to calories when we consume the yellow one, the yolk of an egg. So that contributes around 78 calories. So in the purest form of egg we can get around 6 calories, 6 grams of protein. The second one is almonds. So almonds are the most underrated source of protein. So when it comes to almonds, you get around 6 grams of protein and 164 calories per 28 grams of almonds. So these almonds are really helpful, and it also contains different types of minerals and vitamins which helps your body to grow and helps to regain the muscle and repair your muscle. Chicken breast is a very popular protein source. So it contains a lot of protein and even a lot of calories. So one roasted chicken breast without skin contains around 53 grams of protein and 284 calories. So by far this is the most protein source where you can get without any supplements. So oats are even the best protein sources. So when it comes to consuming oats, a cup of oats, it's around 200 grams of oats, contains 11 grams of protein and around 307 calories. So milk is by far the best source of every mineral, every vitamin, like anything. It contains almost all the micro and macronutrients. So when it comes to the protein content in the milk, you get around 8 grams of protein and 149 calories in 1 cup of milk. That is around 250 ml of milk. So if you are lactose intolerant, you can even take soy milk, that is really vegan milk. So it contains around 6.3 grams of protein and same amount of calories, 149 calories in 250 ml of milk. So fish is really rich in minerals, protein content. So when it comes in consuming fish, like 85 grams of fish contains around 19 grams of protein, like with very less calorie count, that is of 175 calories. So this is a really good source when you are on a weight loss diet. So you can consume less calories with more amount of protein. So peanuts are really good when it comes to giving us protein. So it is a rich source for protein. So peanuts contains around like 28 grams of peanut contains 8 grams of protein and 161 calories. So if you can't consume like the direct peanuts, you can take even peanut butter, so which is readily available in all the supermarkets. So if you are busy, like if you are going to work and you cannot maintain your protein content by eating the food which is cooked at home, you can take the whey protein supplement. So this is really good when it comes to giving yourself protein, not like the cooked food. So you can take it readily. So when it comes to whey protein, so the amount of protein which is present in a scoop of protein, that is like a cup of protein, depends on the brand which you take. So it gets around 20 to 50 grams of protein per serve. These are the 8 protein rich sources which we get naturally and even by using supplements. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.